Welcome back to Doggone Rv'N. This is my final segment on my channel here after a very long thought about this channel. I've decided to end it. It was great when I started out in 2018 with my first two pups, Sarah and Katie, and we got the RV and we started traveling, and we built a lot of memories. We had memories before that because the dogs were about 8 years old when I did get the RV, and they enjoyed traveling with me, exploring with me into their old lives and until they were over 14 and 15 years old before they passed away. I think I should have realized then that that should have been the end of my channel, but I bought another pair of dogs while deep in despair and grief, thinking I could redo that all over again for the next 15-20 years. But then, like a fool, reality hit me, and I said, shit, I'm in my mid-70s, and the lifespan for the dogs is at least 14, 15. Ned put me into my late 80s, you know, and I just had to realize that with the medical issues that have been coming up with old age, that was just not a sensible thing. So I decided I needed to give up Ember, who's a more energetic dog, and stay with Spirit here, who is more bonded to me. So that was a hard decision to make in itself, and it still hurts, but I know Ember is in a much better place. What you see? So we got squirrels around here. We had a hell of a hailstorm the other day. It just came down like sheets for a good 10 minutes until the whole ground looked as if it had snowed. And then by evening that it all melted. Then we woke up this morning and we did have snow, about an inch of it everywhere, and it was frozen on top. And this is mid-April, I think. Yeah, you know, what the hell's going on? So I started looking around at the work I'm having done and doing in my backyard, front yard, and all the repairs I'm having to make to my property and the house, and I'm going, shit, it's going to take me months to pay this off. So I ain't going to be going anywhere this summer anyway, probably. If I do, it'll be just jump in my RV and take Spirit and I to a campground or something. So I am planning to do things in the late fall. There's a off-season state park pass I can get as a senior that'll allow me to park and camp in any Washington State park that's open during the off-season between October and April. So that right now is my only advantage. There are advantages to getting old, finally. There should be more, but you got to take advantage of what you can. So anyway, I just wanted to make this last video to thank everyone out there that has been good enough to reply to my videos, give me some kind of feedback. Most all of it has been really good. Of course, my niche I'm in is extremely small. It's mostly people my age. We grew up in a totally different America. An America where, well, law and order meant something. And there were consequences to your stupid actions. What are you doing, Spirit? Just I don't want kisses. Just sit. Good girl. Can you lay down? That's a good girl. Okay. So, oh boy, yeah. This is my last video I'll be putting out on YouTube for this channel. This is the end of the channel. And I just wanted to let you all know that this is not a spur-of-the-moment thought, that I don't make spur-of-the-moment decisions. I have lots of thinking behind them. And I figure this is the best thing I can do. This is going to be Spirit and I going through the next 10, 15 years of retirement together. I'm not going to bother about worrying about how to make videos and all the crap it involves, and processing them, uploading them, cleaning them up, whatever. You know, it takes up much of my time that I could be just enjoying my life with my girl and traveling. So I'm just going to go back and enjoy that. The hell with the videos. And I'm going to be weaning myself off of YouTube. There's just nothing really worth watching, you know. The only time to get on YouTube is if you need to look up something that means something, that's actually helpful to yourself. So, yeah, I'm going to enjoy my home, enjoy fixing it up, repairing it, I should say. Not fixing it up. Well, fixing it up and repairing basically is the same thing I'm doing. And just enjoy staycations for a while until I pay off my debt that costed me to fix this place up after ignoring it for so long. So, yeah, this is, you're looking for squirrels, aren't you, girl? We got squirrels now. I put out corn, and they're out here just chewing the heck out of the corn cobs. So anyway, before I run this out far too long, I just want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed and after subscribing actually watched my videos, and to prove they watched my videos actually gave feedback, because I don't believe in all that bullshit on YouTube analytics and crap like that. It's all slanted, you know. There's so many ways to cheat nowadays. It's just you have to take everything with a grain of salt, as I used to say when I was a young kid. So yeah, if you guys that are familiar with our channel, that actually replied to our videos, if you ever see us out traveling, you recognize our rig and us, wave, say hi. Okay, well, thanks a lot, everybody, and we're Spirit's around here somewhere. Spirit and I thank you all for joining us and being with us this short start, our second chance. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the channel. So, thanks a lot. And if you guys that are familiar with our channel, familiar with our rig and the dog, if you see us, you know, be kind enough to wave, say hi, doggone. You know, let us know. Okay, well, I'm gonna go play with Spirit. You guys enjoy the spring and summer, and I hope you have good lives. Farewell.